so much potential to explore new flavors, is there just as much excitement for brewing new beer as there is for year-round beer?
Yeah, it is a lot of fun to make something new. You know, new beers, new tastes, new aromas are always fun. But I mean, I get enjoyment out of making Dortmunder consistently each and every batch too. You know, having a quality background, I take a lot of pride in that. But whenever you're making new stuff on a system like that, using ingredients we've never used before, that's always a lot of fun to see how that turns out.